One very important application of PN junction diode is rectification. Rectification means conversion of AC into DC, alternating current conversion to direct current. Now see how the basic principle is diode allows current only in one direction. So there are two types of rectifiers, half wave and full wave. First see half wave rectifier. This is a transformer, step down transformer. Input to the primary of the transformer and to the secondary we connect a diode and load resistance across which output is to be taken. Now due to this alternating current in this principle of mutual induction, we have done the working of transformer. So A becomes alternatively positive and negative. This is the voltage waveform at A, plus, decreasing, 0, minus and so on. Now see, when it is positive, this is P side. P side when connected to positive, it makes diode forward bias, and in forward bias current flows through the diode. So diode current will pass through this. Next half cycle it becomes negative. Diode is in reverse bias. No current passes through it. So if this is the voltage here, the output will be when A is positive, this entire will come here. When this is negative, no current, so this is blocked and then nothing. So this is DC, though pulsating and 50% missing. So that's why we call it half wave, because we are getting only half wave getting converted to direct current. Other half is missing, and this is also pulsating. In the full wave rectifier, we take the entire waveform conversion. See now, at A, the voltage is this, at B, in reference to A, if A is positive, B is negative, and we have connected, we call it center tapping. There is a point, let me call it C. So with reference to C, if A is positive, B is negative. And if B is negative, then A is positive. Or A negative, B positive. Okay, so the potential difference will be seen between A and C. That only for this circuit, and for this circuit, the potential here. Okay, when A is positive, then B will be negative. A positive means diode D1 is in forward bias. This is in reverse bias. So how the current will flow? Current will flow through this upper circuit. No current here. So we will get this half here, output. Second, this is, now when this is positive, this is positive, forward bias. This is negative, no current through it. We are getting this due to first diode. In the second half, now this is positive. When this is negative, this is positive. A negative, B positive. Now D2 is in forward bias. No current through this, we get current through this. And what is the direction of current? We get this. But see, in both the cycles, whether A is positive or B is positive, current through R is in the same direction. So that's why it remains only in one direction. So it is direct current. Though again, one problem that it is pulsating. This is converted to almost steady voltage using filter circuits. So this is full wave rectifier, this is half wave rectifier.